Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download NotePad++ using Google Chrome. To begin, we're going to open up our Chrome browser and select our user. Next up, you want to write NotePad++, and it should redirect you to this page. From there on, we're going to press on NotePad++ over right here. And we're going to go to the Downloads tab. And what you want to look at is what the current version is. So the current version is 8.4.9. This may be different for you, but whatever number it is right here, you're going to choose the same one. So 8.4.9, 8.4.9. We're going to press on download, and we're going to press on download. And as you can see, it has been downloaded right here. We're going to open up the file, and it should take a few seconds to open up. It's going to ask if it can make changes to your device. We're going to press on yes. Next up, it's going to ask for the installer language. You're going to select the language in which you want to use the application. For me, it's going to be English. I'm going to press on OK, and it should bring you up to this page. Press on next. You want to scroll down, read all of this if you want to. I don't suggest you do. And you're going to press on I agree. Next up, you're going to press on next and next once again and install. As you can see, it's completed downloading it, and we're going to press on finish. And as you can see, NotePad++ should open up any second now. And there you have it. That is how to download NotePad++. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And do not forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.